Good evening, friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Trend Spotter Shubham. I am back with another exciting video on market analysis for tomorrow, where we will see how markets performed today, whether they performed as per our analysis, and how are they expected to perform tomorrow. Before we start with our analysis, make sure to join my Telegram channel Trend Spotter Shubham, where you will get live market analysis, buy sell recommendations, answers to all your stock queries, and much more. So without wasting much time, let us start with today's analysis. Let us start the analysis with Nifty first. But before we do that, as always, let us take a quick recap on how we had expected markets movement for today in our last analysis video and how accurately once again the markets moved today. And therefore for tomorrow also we will take a view on the upside. This light blue rectangle has been strengthened today. The upside is intact and the Nifty is showing a strong momentum towards this first hurdle of 17,150 and 200 and then the second hurdle of 17,300. So we will have an upside view for tomorrow also. So we see that Nifty once again performed exactly according to our analysis. We were expecting Nifty to remain strong for today. We were on the upside for Nifty today, and we were also expecting Nifty to not only test this blue rectangle but also to cross this hurdle of 17,150 to 200. And that is exactly what happened today. Nifty showed a very good upside and Nifty managed to close above 17,200. So our analysis for today, once again, absolutely spot on and accurate. Now let us see what we can expect for tomorrow. Nifty is undoubtedly in a very sharp uptrend from 16,400 to 17,200. It has covered in no time. It has given a V-shaped recovery, which signifies strength in the market, which signifies active participation of the buyers. However, if we look at the closer picture, today's up move, today's breakthrough came not because of any good homework done by the buyers, but because of a gap up opening that market received because of good global cues. There was no good base formation as we saw here or here, which resulted in this uptrend. This up move came only because of a gap up opening, which helped buyers to take Nifty quickly above 17,200. The market opened around 17,180 region and it helped buyers to cross 17,200 without any difficulties. Such victories are usually referred to as unplanned victories in the market. And when we see unplanned victories, we also see some fear coming along with these kind of victories at higher levels. We also see that 17,300 and 17,400 region, this region has been a seller favorite region. We see sellers coming sharply and aggressively in this region. Now because of this reason of 17,300 being a supply zone and because of reason that Nifty crossed the hurdle with weak legs, the buyers might become fearful at somewhere at this region. Therefore, if market opens with a slight gap up tomorrow, we might expect some nervousness in the market in the early hours. Therefore, our view for Nifty tomorrow will be for a consolidation or for a downside. Nifty will become on the upside only once we see a good accumulation around 17,100 level. There has to be a justification, there has to be a good reason why Nifty can cross this supply zone. This is a very strong supply zone and there has to be a good reason why Nifty can give a breakthrough and cross this supply zone. Until there has been a good base formation or a good reason, there are good chances for Nifty to retrace back in search of a valid reason. And therefore, until we see a closing above 17,400 or a good base formation at around 17,100, we will not look for an upside. Instead, At around 17,300 region, we will look for a downside. This is because 17,300 is a very strong supply zone, and also because around this region we will have a very low risk and a good reward if market actually starts falling once again. Therefore, our view for tomorrow will not be on the upside. It will either be on consolidation or it will be on the downside, and we will pick a trade on the downside if a price action confirms the same by tomorrow. If it confirms a breakdown, we will take a short call on Nifty, and I will update the same on my Telegram channel, Trend Spotter Shubham. Now let us see what we can expect from Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Bank Nifty is showing a good base formation in this region, and this is something what we also expected by Nifty today. We were expecting such kind of formation and a upside in the second half of the day, which we did not get. But Bank Nifty throughout the day was in a very small, very tight range of 200 points, and we saw a good base formation. Now this base formation indicates a sharp movement in the future in either upside or the downside. The structure till now is on the upside, and therefore Bank Nifty is showing some strength. Bank Nifty is showing a better position than Nifty. Although today Bank Nifty did not perform as good as Nifty today, but structurally Bank Nifty is showing a better structure formation than Nifty. And therefore, whereas Nifty is showing some weak upside, Bank Nifty is showing some good and strong upside in the future. So there is a state of confusion between the two index. So how are we going to trade such confusion? If market shows that we will actually break our crucial levels, and if the market shows breakdown, then we will go for a short position in Nifty, because Nifty might show more weakness than Bank Nifty. However, if markets break important resistance level at the top and continues to move high, we will take long call in Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty has better targets than Nifty on the upside. Nifty will face resistance immediately. However, Bank Nifty still has about 500 to 700 points at least on the upside. Therefore, if markets plan to crack down, if they plan to break down, we will trade in Nifty for a short call. If market plans to give a breakout, if they plan to go on the upside, we will trade in Bank Nifty and take a long call. That's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, do click on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to join my Telegram channel, Trend Spotter Shubham, for more such buy and sell recommendations, for live market action, and for answers to all your stock queries. Thank you.